Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back in the chemistry lecture of 11 science. We are learning hydrocarbon chapter number 15, that is hydrocarbon. Now we have to see about the classification of carbon atom in alkane. The carbon atom is classified in alkane in 4 parts. The first part is primary carbon atom, that is said to be as a 1 degree carbon atom. Then 2 degree, that is said to be as a secondary carbon atom. 3 degree is said to be as a tertiary carbon atom, and 4 degree is said to be as a quaternary carbon atom. Now we have to understand about what is 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree and 4 degree. Let's see. Now primary carbon atom, this is the carbon atom which is attached to only one other carbon, is called the primary carbon. Secondary carbon is, this is the second carbon atom which is attached to two other carbon atom, is called secondary carbon. And tertiary carbon is the carbon atom which is attached by three other carbon, is said to as a tertiary carbon, that is 3 degree. And in quaternary, the carbon atom which is attached to 4 carbon is called quaternary carbon atom, that is 4 degree. Now we will see the example of 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree and 4 degree. Now in this you can see this is the first carbon which is attached by only one carbon. So this is 1 degree carbon atom. This is 1 degree. Primary one. Now if I see this carbon atom, this carbon is attached by this carbon and this neighboring carbon. So this is called as a 2 degree carbon atom. Secondary carbon, that is. Now if I see this carbon atom, this one, this carbon attached by 3 carbon, you can see. So this is called 3 degree carbon atom. And if I see this carbon atom, this carbon attached by 4 other carbon, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is called as a 4 degree, that is quaternary. Now answer the question, students. Which of the following contain 1 degree, 2 degree carbon only? Try to understand the question. Which of the following contain 1 degree, 2 degree carbon only? Now for this example, this is 1 degree carbon, this is 2 degree, this is 3 degree, and this is 1 degree because it is attached by only one carbon. This is also 1 degree because it is attached by one carbon. But this compound contains 3 degree also. So this is not the answer. We have to just choose the compound which contain 1 degree and 2 degree only. Now this compound this has 1 degree carbon, this is also having 1 degree carbon. That means attached to only one carbon atom. So this option will also not come. In this compound has 1 degree carbon, this is 1 degree carbon. Now this will have 2 degree, this is also 2 degree because it is attached by 2 other carbon, and this is having 1 degree. So this may be answer. Let's see the fourth one. Now fourth one, in this carbon is 1 degree, 4 degree, 1 degree, 1 degree, 2, 3 and this is 1 and 1. So our answer is third one. Number of carbon bonded to 1 degree. Now how many carbon are bonded to 1 degree? Let's see. Now you try to answer the question, students. They are asking us a question that a compound is having 1 degree carbon atom. So to the 1 degree carbon atom, how many other carbons are getting attached? 2, 1, 3, 4. Of course the answer is 1. Now we will see the IUPAC nomenclature of alkane. You know very well what is the full form of IUPAC. But then also I am repeating the full form, try to understand. This full form you have studied in 10th standard. I for International Union, U for Union, P for Pure, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, A for Applied, C for Chemistry, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. This International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, the nomenclature system is situated in the Geneva city. Means in the Geneva city there is a nomenclature branch head office where they are the scientists, they are deciding how to give the name to the chemical compounds. So that is why sometime the IUPAC name is also said to be as a Geneva name. Now over here, how to remember the naming nomenclature? Over here, first four names you have to remember in the way as alphabetical order. MEPB, MEPB. As you have studied ABCD in the lower standard, that is first standard, KG, senior KG, junior KG. Now in the 11th standard you have to study the alphabet in the way as MEPB. So M for methane, ethane, propane and butane. And over here, from exactly where it has been came, they have shown. If the number one carbon is there, the root word is meth. The parent name is N, alkane, so it will become methane. And the structure you know very well, CH4, you have drawn number of time in 10th standard. Eth, E for eth, ethane, 2 carbon. The general formula for alkane you know very well, CnH2n plus 2, N is number of carbon atom. Propane, 4 carbon. Butane, 4 carbon. Now this is this two structure, which is straight chain and a branch chain, which is called as an isomer. This is an isomer, same molecular formula but different structural formula. We will see later. Rules of IUPAC nomenclature. First of all, we have to select the longest parent chain. Longest possible, that is continuous longest chain. There should not be any breaking. If there is a breaking, that carbon will become as a substituent. And we have to number it. So whatever substituent which is hanging in the chain, that should get a lowest possible number. And we have to separate the number by comma and alphabet by hyphen. Remember carefully. Write the name of the substituent in alphabetical order. Suppose 2-3 substituents are present, so we have to write according to ABCD, alphabetical order. If there is more, if the same group is attached twice or thrice, so we will use the word in a prefix as a di, tri, 2 for di, 3 for tri and 4 for tetra and so on. If an organic compound containing more than one long carbon chain, in this case the chain have large number of side chain, is selected as a parent, means larger number will select as a parent. Let's see few example. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon. This C2H5 will split as CH2, CH3. So in all 6 carbon atom is there. Now I can start the numbering from here also or here also. If I start from here, this will get number 2 and number 3. If I start from numbering here 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will get 4 and 5. So the lowest total should be there. That is 2 and 3 will be 3 plus 2, 5. And over here from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5 become 9. So this number will be selected from left side. Longest chain is hexane, 6 carbon atom hexane, you know very well. After 4, till 4 we have to write, remember MEPB. After 4, 5, 1 is the pent, that is penta. And 6th one will be hexa, we have studied hexagon in 9th standard. 7, heptagon type heptane. 8, octa, that is octane. Octagon we have studied. 9, nona, that is nonane will become. And 10 is for deca. So the alkane will become decane. And so ahead we can go till 20. We will see later. In our course we have till 20. So it will become according to, see, we have to give the number according to the chain. But while writing the name, we have to see the alphabetical order. Ethyl, E for ethyl comes first, E come first and M come later. So we will write 3-ethyl 2-methyl hexane. See, in between number and the alphabet there is hyphen. And if there is a 2 number, there will be comma. We will see in the later example. So 3-ethyl 2-methyl hexane. Second example. Here we have to select the longest chain, the fifth one. Here there is on the position number 2 there is methyl. Again there is a on position number 2 we have methyl again, and we have position number 4 there is a methyl. I can start the numbering from right side, but here there is a 2 substituent, so they will be having a more total. That is why we have to start from left side. Here 2 for methyl and here 2 methyl, so 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8. If I start from right side, the total will goes more. So that is why we have to go, we have to write the give the numbering according to the lowest total also. Now over here, this methyl will say that my number is 2, and this will also say my number is 2. So we'll write 2,2-dimethyl, and at position number 4 there is again methyl. So we'll write 2,2,4-trimethyl, and there will be comma in between them. And parent is pentane, so at the end there will be a pentane. 2,2,4-trimethyl pentane. Now come and answer the question. This number you will start from. You will say, I will not say anything. Come on, pause the video and write the answer, and then see ahead what you are writing the name properly or not. Just I will say that this 4 carbon chain is there, butane. So what will be the name? Two-methyl butane, 3-methyl butane, 3-ethyl butane, none of above. So you can check the answer, that is 2-methyl butane. We have to start numbering from here 1, 2. Now, next time we will see the conformation of ethane. It is also a very important part and very interesting part, that is conformation of ethane. Thank you.